This is for all my free thinkers out there. Grand rising, grand rising, grand rising. Now, I woke up today, and when I woke up, how is all my free thinkers doing? How is all my scientists doing? I woke up today and I saw dark matter does not exist, and the universe is 27 billion years old. Now, just to my observation, just to knowing that the world is a big old hoax, the world is full of lies, it's full of deception. It's time for us to open our eyes. Now, they saying dark matter don't exist, which is gravity. You got gravity and you got anti-gravity, which they say. But I want to know, if the world is spinning, how do we get these pictures of faces on moon? How do we get pictures of hexagrams on Saturn? How do we get pictures of Earth from space? How do we get these pictures? If the Earth is spinning, all these planets is spinning, how is we get to see all this stuff? Why is not started when we leave and go into the atmosphere? How come I can shoot a gun in the air and 9 times out of 10 it's going to come back down within 500 feet from around where I shot the gun at? How is we taking these pictures of the face on moon? How is we taking a picture of Earth from the moon? And every time we take a picture of Earth, we see either Africa, South America, or we see Europe. How is we doing this? It's making no sense if the world is spinning. We must question everything, guys. This makes no sense. Now, they so claim they taking a picture of the moon. How have you taken a picture of the moon? The moon should be spinning. And when I look outside, the moon not spinning. The moon not, you don't see the moon blinking. You don't see that you see the moon every 5 minutes. Every 10 minutes, you should see the moon. No. You go outside, you see that moon. You're going to see that moon for at least 8 hours. 8 to 10 hours, you're going to see that moon. How is that possible if the world is spinning? That lets you know, even in the ancient days, they know that the world was not spinning. They knew that in the ancient days. How was they able to map out the stars? How was they able to map out Orion's belt? You feel me? How was they able? Even in the Bible, it says the earth is fixed. Even in the Bible. And God created the stars above to separate day from night. You heard me? Come on, man. When we look at that sun, we don't see the sun spinning. When you see them beams coming from the light, from the sun, when you see them light beams coming from the sun, what is it doing? It's either going up or it's going down. It is not spinning around. Now, if the earth was spinning, wouldn't it be looking like this? Wouldn't the earth look like, now this look like a spinning ball? Saturn looked like something that would be spinning. This how a picture of something would be when it spin. When you look at when you get a basketball and you spin a basketball and you see the word Spalding, you don't see the word Spalding clear as day. You take a picture of that basketball, it's not going to show the word Spalding on a still image. It's not going to show that. It's going to show a black dot. It's not going to show that, guys. So why is they making us believe everything? Why is they tricking our eyes and tricking our minds in deception? Why? Why are they taking spirituality out of religion? Why are they not keep teaching us the cosmology of religion? That religion ain't nothing but cosmology. Religion ain't nothing but astrotheology. And the cosmology and the symbolism and the symbolic messages that is inside of religion. Why are they not teaching us that? You feel me? Come on. Something is really going on here that they are trying to deceive us and make us believe in their lies. So before you believe anything, you need to question everything. How come when I get an air balloon and connect it to a GoPro, I still see I could go 900 feet up in the sky. I could go 2 miles up in the sky. I'm still gonna see exactly why first originally let the GoPro off. Why? Now this is NASA shooting a picture of the Earth. How come the Earth not spinning, guys? The Earth is not spinning. We know the atmosphere is moving. We know the sun is moving. We know the moon and the stars are moving by day. But ain't no Earth's moving. So if the Earth moving this fast, why do we still see these still images? It makes no sense. And NASA have a guy, an artist, that draws up all their galaxies, all their planets. He draws it up to what he think the most best image can be. And I forgot the guy's name, but a lot of this just don't make no sense, man. How come I can get a GoPro and I still see Panama City Beach? I still see Florida. It should be spinning around, bro. Why is this not spinning around? This makes no sense. And that go to balloon. When the balloon goes so far up and hit that firmament, the balloon busts. Whenever the balloon goes so far up, you can look at, go to your YouTube and go to GoPro balloon shoot into space. It's a 3-hour, 5-hour video. It'd be 5-hour videos just to get 900,000 feet. Like to get 90,000 feet. To go 2 miles up in the sky, bro, you're going to hit something. And when you hit something, they call it gravity or dark matter or whatever they want to call it. It's the divine that they can't define the divine. It's going to bust, bro. So we need to question everything, man. We need to question everything about this world is spinning, these planets is spinning, because how would I be able to see a face on the moon? How can I see a face on the moon if the world is spinning? How would I be able to see a face on the moon? You see that face on the moon every day. That face shouldn't be right there. How is you looking at the same side of the moon? Remember it came out last year, we looking at a new moon? Oh, it's a new moon. We got a new moon. How will we be able to see this moon in the sky? It's time for us to question everything, bro. Now, we really got to question everything. I just wanted to drop this video about the lies NASA teaches us, the deception NASA teaches us, and they always flagging. You see that American flag? That American flag it's Babylon. It shows you what's going on. Look at the colors. Red, blue, and white. Look at the colors, bro. How's we getting these pictures of this? Dark matter don't exist. So when I saw this, it just made me, I had to question everything with this AI photo. And I also want y'all to start questioning everything, man. Y'all start getting it back into your imagination. Y'all start getting back into your intuitive brain. Y'all start getting back into your neocortex. Stop letting them put you into your reptilian stem cell. These people are trying to put you into your reptilian stem cell, lie to you, and teach you everything under the sun. When all their religions come from study Saturn. It's not Satan, it's Saturn. It's not Lucifer, it's Lucifer. You heard me? Lucid. A lucid mind. Lucid dreaming. You feel me? Stop letting these reptilians lie to y'all. Reptilian mean you're reptilian. Stem cell. You feel me? Come on, man. It's very obvious. Where's the distortion? Where's the distortion? Come on, man. We got to wake up sooner or later, guys. We got to wake up, my Ethereum beings. We got to wake up one day. We got to go back to ether one day. Whether it's we're going to be in our physical mindset, our spiritual mindset. But we going to go back to our Ethereum self. Wake up and question everything. They out there in they space shuttles, but the world not spinning. They getting clear pictures of the world. Stop it. Stop it. Like, we got to wake up, man. Peace, love, and prosperity to y'all all, man. Ashe.